Mike Sutton here with Mobilitechs. We want to be your IT department. I've got a lot of great clients here in the local area. Among them, Mary Grossman. Mary is a senior loan officer at Mortgage America. Great client of mine and a terrific loan officer. Helped us do a refinance recently, so definitely check her out. Here's the interview. Hi, Mike Sutton with Mobilitechs. I have the opportunity to be here today with Mary Grossman from Mortgage America. Mary's a friend of mine and a client. Mary, thanks for taking the time to talk to me today.
Glad to be here, Mike.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about Mortgage America and what you do?
Sure. Mortgage America is a family-owned bank. We're located here, actually at Lehigh Valley, and we've been responsibly lending for over 25 years. And
so, these are pretty tough financial times, have been for the last couple of years. How's Mortgage America come through there?
We're solid. We're solid and stable. The reason is because we have never gotten involved with the so-called bad mortgages that are out there. We've always decided to take the course of educating our clients and being able to give them the best way to buy a house so that long-term and short-term, our clients have been fine. Great.
So is it a good time to buy a house now?
Absolutely a great time. I think it's historically low interest rates. The inventory of homes on the market are terrific. And so if you're a first-time buyer, especially a terrific time. There are programs out there to meet their needs. Move-up buyers, it's a question mark. If they can get by the fact that their home is probably priced at 2005, 2006 levels, but knowing that they're going to gain that same price when they move up, it's also a good time for them as well. They've got equity position.
So if I'm either that first-time buyer or if I think I might be a move-up buyer, what are the things that I need to know and what do I need to consider, before I come talk to you or as I'm going through the process with you?
Well, first I would say come and talk with me, because what I'm going to be able to help you with is how much home can I afford? How much home do I want to afford? Am I going to need any money out of pocket? What is the best program for me? Even locality of where that home is located is going to impact the kind of mortgage product that a client's going to be able to have. So I ask clients, please come see me first. Let's set the platform so that they know now they're armed with the fact of they've got a pre-approval, which makes them a very good buyer. It gives them an edge up. It gives them a negotiation position that they wouldn't have without that. And now they know they have the information they need to know the finances involved with the transaction.
So if I, maybe I've been in my house for a couple of years, I hear all this news about how low the rates are, and I'm thinking maybe I should refinance. How do I know if I'm a good candidate for a refinance? When does it make sense? When should I come talk to you?
I ask people, give me a call. Give me about 10 minutes worth of your time, and I can start to walk you through whether it's going to make sense for you. Mm-hmm. If you're not going to be in your home for 3 to 5 plus years, then it's not going to make sense to you. So automatically I start screening the process to see if it's going to improve your situation. It depends on what your goals are with it. And I ask you probing questions, ask you whether you intend to stay in this home for a long time. Do you want to keep your payment the same and shorten your term, or do you want to just save a couple $100 or more every month on your mortgage? It depends on what you need.
I may have different options if I'm refinancing or if I'm buying or if I'm moving from one house to another, but what are the types of loans out there and what's the best choice if I'm a buyer like that?
There's not one best choice, and that's the thing I think everyone needs to know. And there's not one best rate either. So I educate my clients on that. I listen to, again, what are your needs, what are your goals, and once we understand what those are, I will then be able to help you with making sure you're credited up to speed so that if you are going to be pulling the trigger on either a conventional or a government loan or some of the state-funded loans, that you get the best loan that you need to have. There are literally hundreds of choices out there for you.
And I know you, and I know some people that have worked with you, so I've heard a lot of the great referrals and testimonials for the work that you do. But if I'm just somebody out on the market, why would I end up choosing Mortgage America?
You would choose Mortgage America because, and you would also choose me because I've got 15 years of experience. I've got a proven track record. So I am an expert and a senior loan officer. The reason I affiliate myself with Mortgage America is because really we are the best of the best. My underwriters, I consistently tell them, they make us look good because they will help support us in this changing landscape, there's every day new rules, some new specs that come out for program guidelines, and they help us to stay current for our clients so that we make sure that when we're giving you information, that information is solid, it's current, you can rely on it.
Great. So how can people get a hold of you if they might be in need of your services?
Give me a call. My
All right.
cell phone, 610-914-4606.
Great. Thanks for your time today, Mary.
Thanks, Mike.
Thanks, Mary. I'm Mike with Mobilitechs. Have a great day.